Hey friends, for the longest time, I've gotten a lot of requests to talk about the housing market and my experience in the real estate. 90% of my real estate is located in the UK, though I live in Singapore. And no, I'm not one of those nincompoops that drove the housing market price up in the UK. My purchases are far from London and Manchester, so no, don't look at me like some yellow watermelon. Anyway, appreciate an early thumbs up. This will be a simple video. The housing market, we can go into tons of stats from housing supply, housing demand charts, and at the end of the video, it's hard to form any conclusion. So no, I do not want to waste your time. And I prefer you, at the end of the video, you kind of understand the broad picture and form your own takeaways and opinions. What drives the price of housing market? There's two factors. There's simple supply and demand and interest rates. The lower the interest rates are, the real estate price will go up because it's cheaper to borrow money. Interest rates are at all-time low, so there is only one way for interest rates to go up, which is bad. However, I do believe that interest rates will be kept suppressed for quite a while. This video, I want to talk about supply demand and how it's going to affect you and your children. Look at this news. There are more than 8 million empty homes in rural Japan, and each going for as little as $500 to lure residents. 13.6% of Japan's homes are empty, and in some places more than 18%. And this problem is not isolated to Japan alone. Italy has the same problem. When houses start to sell for €1, you know it's a problem. When demand shrinks, price is gonna drop. Let's take a look at this chart. Japan's population peaked in 2009. It's been coming down since. Housing markets in Japan will continue its downwards trend as Japan is reluctant to allow foreigners to fill in the gaps of its labor markets. This is my issue with all the nincompoops that complain about foreigners taking up their jobs. In a free market, companies will always choose the best employees regardless of origin. It creates competition and it raises the standards for everybody. After running a few companies, I love my foreign workers. Don't get me wrong. They work harder. It's not about the pay. The problem is I need to hire locals because of government regulations. You keep kicking out the foreigners and you're going to get a population decline and a decline in standards, and there goes your real estate investment and economy. This is Singapore. We project to peak around 15 years from today, and goodbye economy. Good luck to your children if you want to continue complaining and kicking out all the foreign labor away. I have my exit strategy in place. For the United States, you guys are looking good long term. Nothing to worry. Just take note of migration between states. Lately, the whole leaving California movement to Texas and other states. The tax in California, ouch. Germany, you guys are at peak now, so watch out. United Kingdom, looking pretty good. Canada, looking just fine. Australia is great. Italy is pretty obvious why you have houses going for $1. I'll link the list in the description. Wrapping up, my take for an economy to continue striving, population increase is the key. Look at China and India. Or you look at the history of the United States, UK, and all other nations. Population increase is super important. For every one more person in the country, that person will spend more money. And you multiply that effect by the millions, and the country wins. So just go get some girl pregnant. For those who like to complain about foreign labor because they might be lazy, selfish, and mainly stupid, these donkeys make the most noise, and if the government decides to give in, good luck. I hope this video helps with your financial knowledge. Appreciate any thumbs up and support for the causes I believe in. And as always, invest safe.